Okay, so today I'm testing the Hollyland M2S microphone. Right now, this is the microphone, the 3 capsule microphone of my Sony ZV-E10. Okay, so today I'm testing the Hollyland M2S microphone system. Right now, I'm using one of the microphone at my color here. So we'll see if there's a big difference with my Sony microphone. We'll see if there's a big difference with the microphone of the ZV-E10 Mark II, which was already a pretty good microphone. Okay, so let's look at the key spec for the Lark M2S from Hollyland. The first thing is that it's a very discreet microphone. You can put it on the collar if you have a hoodie or a polo, or you can slide it between the button if you have a dress shirt. And because there's no light or logo, it really doesn't show on camera, so it's very discreet. You also have a clip to install it, so it's really tiny and it's very secure on your clothes when you move around, which I really like. They say 48 Hz audio at 24 bits. So the sound quality should be really good. I need to play more with the settings. You can also control the noise cancelling and the volume level straight from the app, which I didn't install yet, but I think I need to do that just to make sure that everything is fine. They say around 30 hours of battery time using the case, but what's more important, they say up to 9 hours of recording. So I feel that my video camera would die first versus a microphone, but it's giving you plenty of option. They also say up to 300 meters of range between the receiver and the microphone. I didn't really test it because most of the time I will be close to the camera anyways, and it's mostly in studio or when we're traveling. And one of the main features is that it can be used on your camera to upgrade your audio, which I really like, and that's one reason I choose the M2S. Let's do a quick unboxing next to see what comes in the box. Okay, we can see here that we have the M2S Ultimate Combo. I will talk about a little later what it's exactly included in the combo. You see some of the spec I already talked about on the back of the box. I really like the packaging and everything is logical and there's plenty of instruction. You have the outlet book and the registration card. The card show what's everything's in the box. We'll look at the item one by one next. It comes with a carrying bag for the extra accessories that don't fit in the case. You have the 3.5 millimeters cable for the camera and a USB-A to USB-C to charge. I did wish they also bring a USB-C to USB-C cable, but it's not a problem and I can use other cable to charge it directly. You can see at the back you have a USB-C port to charge the case. We can see the front of the case here, and then we will look at the top-down view. You can see a top-down view here. The case is compact, but it's still bigger than headphone case and things like that, because you have two microphones, the camera plug, and also you can put the lightning or the USB-C cable in the case. You can see the case open here and you will get a green light if everything is charged. I appreciate that they made a space so you can put the USB-C dongle or the lightning dongle in the case, so you always have it with you if you decide to switch to your phone. You can see here the two microphones, the camera plug, the camera receiver, and the USB-C receiver. The receiver is really slim and tiny. There's a button on it if you want to activate noise cancelling also, in case you were in a windy or really loud place. You can see here everything that comes in the Ultimate Combo. So you have a lightning adapter, a USB-C adapter, and a camera adapter. My iPhone 14 Pro still use lightning. I will switch it soon, but it's good because then I can use this microphone with everything. You also have two that got for wind rejection, the USB 3. The USB-C to USB-A cable, the USB-C cable if you want an extra one, and you can also have the 3.5 millimeters. So for 115 Canadian, you have a lot of options, which I really like. This is a sound test using the camera and the audio of my Snapdragon X. This is a video test using my Snapdragon webcam, but I'm using the M2S for the audio. So what do I like of the Hollyland M2S in this quick preview? Well, I think there's a lot to like there. There's like the sound quality is good. It's very convenient to have like a case like that you can just open, have your two microphone, the camera dongle, one of the two dongle, like right now it's the USB-C I have in it, but also have the lightning for my iPhone. So I wanted a quick system if I would do a podcast with a friend, and at least have two microphones. And I wanted also something to adjust, like to have good sound quality. I also wanted something when I would like to increase the sound quality that I was getting with my Sony. And that would be very convenient if we like, I don't know, go to a conference, you know, go to a gaming con or something like that, to be able to like, I wanted something that would be convenient and light to carry around. Now, I still think it would make sense when eventually to get like a shotgun microphone or something like that. But it's super convenient to have like something that small that is very discreet. There's no light or logo when you have it. So, but not everything is positive yet. I still need to learn more with the settings. Like I lowered the volume on my camera, but I still find that like if it's close to my mouth like that versus being like on my chest if I'm wearing a dressing shirt, that like sometimes it's way too like the noise is way too loud. So I still need to learn how to adjust it properly. The other thing that I'm really not sure is that you see it's a clip like that. It looks solid and rubbery, but I don't know how long it's gonna take before if it would break eventually. So that's also something to consider. But in the end, for like, I don't know, 115 Canadian when it was on sale, I thought it was like a super good deal and a way to have like a device, because I choose the Ultimate Pack, something that can use on my iPhone 14 Pro, that I can use on my computer when I do voiceover, and then that I can use straight to my camera, and I have the case to charge it and bring it with me. Thanks for watching.